I am the good shepherd. A good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. Friends, we are now celebrating the Good Shepherd Sunday. And it is good for us, and we are so blessed this Sunday because God is trying to us remember that the God who saves us from the cross is not only a God of good heart, but a good shepherd. Another version of it, no? Some would say, nga karong Domingo Domingo daw ron sa mga marites. Yung dili siguro mauna nga word, no? Domingo ron sa maayong magbalantay, dili Domingo sa maayong manghimantay, no? Maayong magbalantay. As God taking care of our life, and most of all, no, as it was said in our second reading, He is also a guardian of our souls. And that is the heart of a good shepherd. In our gospel today, He is not only considered Himself as good shepherd. Now, let's try to recall back when I was ordained way back 2008. The theme that I choose in my ordination is, I am the good shepherd. At first, no, I was hesitant because I know that I could never be a good shepherd. But looking forward, ahead of me, who is Jesus Christ Himself, who is the model of my priesthood, I have this courage. No? Lord, I am not walking ahead of you, but I am walking behind you because I know that you are a good shepherd and I will try my best to follow you. Kung mag-unagod, no, as far as I know, being a good shepherd, He is the one leading the flock. Kung ikaw may mag-una, musunod yun ang mga karnero. But the danger is, if there would be wolves coming on it, kana pod may problema. Kay mamiligro pod ang imong kinabuhi. Pero kung ang good shepherd gani, walking behind the sheep, no? The flock of the sheep, kung nailubo nga mukaon na sa mga karnero, siyempre, kaya napaman siya sa luyo, there would be a chances nga mupalayo siya, mudagan siya. Oh, and how many among of us today, no, nga, dali kayo mo surrender, dali kayo mo give up during the time upon watching our small flock of the family. No? The father would always be considered supposed to be as the good father, the good shepherd of the family. He's the one leading the flock in attending the Holy Mass, no? In guiding all throughout the life of his sons and daughters. But now, it seems that it is already a burden for a mother and a father to tend their children. Daghang kaayong mga ginikanan ron, nga malipay na ang ilang mga anak, ugwa sa ilang balay, nga naman, may rapotong anak ang wa din sige ra katulog, niya mumatarag mo kaon, dako pa yung kay kaon. Unya ini magtulog, pagkagabi murag wakwak. No? Lupad. Di gani magpahibalo. Daghang kayong mga ginikanan nga mi give up sa ila ang katungdanan ingon ana. And sometimes, playing safe, no? Yes, we may give everything, their needs, but behind it, no? Dili ra gyud po tinuod kaayo nga moingon ko nga, di po na tinuod nga gugma sa inyo ang anak, oy, nga ihatag na ninyo ang tanan. Bisag nakabalo mo, nga behind it or afterwards, naagyo'y danger sa inyong desisyon. Di lang yun mo gusto nga say no. If you sees the danger upon the plan and the decision sa inyong mga anak, say no. Daghang kay mga ginikanan karon nga makaingon ko, in a way, no? They are so religiously having their Christian discipline, but along the way, no? Not knowing it, that the devil is also having double it off. No, sa iyang mga paningkamot, sige, naningkamot day mo nga dadon ninyong anak diha sa maayo nga pagpangga, pag-atiman, pagdisiplina. Dublihon po na niya iyang paningkamot. And sometimes, we could no longer seize the danger behind the trap. No? You know, looking forward, no, the grace in entering the sheepfold, it is not a prison either. That sometimes would, at the back of the mind and the hearts of Catholic, no? Nakanabitang mga lagad ta, mapriso ta, makuha ang tag-uras. No. Once musulod ta sa turil nga gipanag-iya sa Ginoo, but during that time, the description of the sheepfold, it is only one gate, the entrance. No other door, no other gate. So that would mean that when Jesus Christ considered himself as, I am the gate of the sheepfold, he is the entrance. So that would mean he will be the one controlling who will comes in and goes out. Mo gyud unta nay kinaiya sa mamag papa. No? Naka na bang ma-worried kung ang anak wala pa kauli? Karon kayong mga ginikanan, tapulan na kayo na, isira na lang ng gate diha day, ipaubaya na sa maid. But a good father, a good shepherd, he is the last one to close the door of the sheepfold. Di natakahimo ana. Nga naman, gidrain na ang atong energy sa atong trabaho ug ang uban sa ilang cellphones. Munang mingon na lang, nak, ug muuli ka, kadlawon naman gani, narang yawi diha, gisuksok. Not like Jesus Christ himself. No? He is the one leading. No? Ug gipaklaro na ni Jesus. First, as the gate of the sheepfold, he is the entrance. And he is also the exit. So that would mean security is there, present. Secured ang iyang mga tupa o mga ship, no, nga naa sa iya ang turil. Secured. Because God knows what is the best for us. That once we enter the sheepfold of God, this is not a prison cell, but it is a door of freedom, a doorway of life. Kung sa mayang giingon, na itubig, no, there is waters, there is an abundant pasture. Kung sa pa may atong gawson, no, Just like entering in this church, no? As we know, as I have a friend of mine na ningon siya nga, mao gyud ay ni problema sa mga Katoliko. Kay kanira bang ilang simbahan dagko kaayog pultahan. Kunya gawas nga dagkog pultahan, purting daghanag pultahan. Anytime initan ta, di taganahan sa kanang pagsimba, anytime, daghantang pasumangil nga mugawas. But the original scenery of a sheepfold, there's only one door. Muna nga ubang mga simbahan, ningon sila nga, kami gyud may tinuod nga simbahan, kay nga among simbahan, gamay ra kaayo. Igo rang makasulod ang tao. Nganuman, just see to it. We just see to it nga kinsay misulod among nahibalaan. Kung gamay ra ang pultahan ba, simpre tagsa-tagsa ra gyud ang musulod. Pero kung dako ang pultahan, magdungan gani na gawas tanan, di nakakabalog kinsay ni gawas, kinsay ni sulod. Pero dili man buot sabton nga kung daghan tag pultahan, dagko tag pultahan, free ta nga mogawas anytime. It's up for us. Pero kung na bati nato that entering the sheepfold of Christ mean security, anong mogawas pa man ta? Second, as we entered the sheepfold of Christ, there is, we called it belongingness. We belong to the sheepfold of Christ. No, nailhan niya tagsa-tagsa kangalan. No? Inana man yun na, kung gamay lang yun niya atong simbahan, ay mailag yun, oy. Mubitaw ng ang pari before, no, iniguman sa misa, ang pari didto yun mo exit. Kay ang pari magpaabot, dayon paggawas sa mga tao, tagsa-tagsa niyang pangumustahon. Oh, salamat sa pagsimba. Uy, kumusta man ka? Na ospital man daw ka atong niaging simana. Inana magidunta ang good shepherd. Pero karon, kung tanan pangumustahon, miingon biya po ng uban, galangay-langay ra ng paria. Naghampa kong lakwon. Tinuod na. But originally, as a good shepherd, naagyod dito siya. No? Kung asa siya ni entrance, dito po siya supposed to be mugawas. That would a good shepherd is look like. The third one is the promise of abundant life. Abundant life. When we enter the sheepfold of Christ, there is a promise of abundant life. The life that is not only for our own, but eternal life. No? The life that belongs to Jesus Christ Himself. So siya may tag-iya sa atong kinabuhi, maniguro po ta, nga inigbiya nato ining kinabuhi, mabalik po nato ang atong kinabuhi sa tinubdan. And there's no other way, there's no other gate. No? It is the gate of our Holy Mother Church. Because here, upon attending the Holy Mass, there is an abundant pasture inside. The Word of life and the bread of life. Unsa pa may atong pangitaon? As we celebrate today, the Good Shepherd Sunday, may all of us be reminded of our Christian responsibilities. No, sa mga nangatungdanan sa gobyerno, be a good shepherd. Sa mga tao nga gi-entrust sa inyo. Sa mga ginikanan nga niya karon dinhi, try to recall your Christian responsibilities diha sa iyong tagsa-tagsa ka mga anak. Sa simpleng pagpangumusta, sa simpleng pagdili, tungod kay the danger is waiting ahead. or waiting behind. O kanamo pod nga mga obispo, Santo Papa, obispo, mga kardinal, pare, it is also a way of reminding us, are we a good shepherd to the people entrusted to us? And at the same time, dili po ta malimot, praying the Lord of the harvests. It is Vocation Sunday. We may continually pray for more vocations to the priesthood, to the religious life. Kaya aron mas daghan pa nga manulod nga magpari, mas daghan ang mugiya sa atong kinabuhi. Have a good Shepherd Sunday to all.